how fast these pins are on.
Yeah, the only engine stand that good old Harbor Freight had in stock was the 1,000-pound one.
Yeah.
Which is fine. It's a little bit taller and probably be easier to work on, but I knew this thing wasn't going to weigh that much. The smallest one they had was 750, and I figured the motor was around 7 or so.
I hate that piece.
The frame that sticks out there?
Yeah. I've done that every time.
I'm curious to see what the oil looks like when I drain it. Does it not catching enough thread?
Yeah, it really wants to do though. Hey, just so you know, when we get this thing all nice and tidy, you just gotta put a little inscription, Logan's Corner.
So there's this bolt over here and then just the other one over there.
Yep.
Before the rest of it comes out. I didn't unbolt that, so if we need to, we can. Who keeps walking out in the front porch?
Alright. Sorry.
Where it's at? Oh yeah, that one's easy to get to.
Yeah, I freaking had a raccoon on my porch, so a bunch of people are freaking Snapchatting me about that shit. Like, it's just a sweet trash panda. Why are you trying to hit it with a broom? I'm like, I don't know why it's on my porch. Alright, well, I don't know if we're gonna be able to get enough. We're gonna have to take that off. Watch out, no homo. I might get it. Yeah, it's gonna be too much of an angle. We're just gonna have to pull it off. I just need a 1/2 inch socket.
Socket or right? You want us to go up or down or?
We got it.
Oh, you got it? Okay.
Alright, let's go ahead.
We need all 3 of us on it.
Let's see how it rolls. Let me get these tools
Maybe I'll just spin it and like back up to it.
It should just be. Alright. That clutch don't look that bad actually.
Huh?
It's still got some life left in it. So yeah, gotta pull those off and get that off, and then there's gonna be 6 or 8 bolts. Ready?
Just swing these over here.
Yep. One more? A little bit more. Back up to it. You think that's good or no? That should be alright. Should be good? Yeah, it should be alright. There. I was like, bro, that's not even coming on. Swing it. Towards me, Tate. Yep. Keep coming. Keep coming back, yep.